Hope everybody's having a good day. Today we're doing a quick little siding change on a gable end. I've mentioned before. We're in downtown Indianapolis. Here's the gable end up here. Get out of the sunshine, see it. So just need to change that out. Quick job. This is a shelter here downtown Indianapolis. So today we're going to try to get this on there, make it weather tight with some house wrap. So we'll see how it goes. Everybody's having a good day. So we got that siding job done. Special guest today, Celia. So what we got up here, Celia?
Brownish red wood and white paint.
So we made it to match, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up.
Huh.
All right. Have a good day.